that is our mission today. We will have you connected all with drinks today.
Perfectly.
They're going to start off with that, connecting this right here,
Yeah.
where the double sweep clean house is. They're going to go ahead and connect that, and then they're going to start working in the kitchen area. Once
Okay.
that kitchen area goes in,
Yeah.
the last thing that they're going to do is the bathroom area. What's going to be just a little bit more time consuming is going to be the 2 showers. That takes a little bit of time to reconstruct,
Yeah.
but then the rest of it pretty smooth, and they're going to pour concrete. So what we discovered while excavating down there and getting ready to do all the installation was that, let me see, there's a 2-inch, well, pretend this is a 2-inch line, okay? There's a jacuzzi tub that you got out there. They connected this piece with the ABS like that, but instead of using a fitting here, they use tape.
So it was leaking and maybe attracting roots. Huh?
Attracting roots, yeah.